Located at 2463 Willow Bend Road in scenic Monroe County, West Virginia, this 75 plus or minus acre sold by Boundary Unrestricted Farm offers endless potential. The property features a 3-bedroom/2-bath double-wide along with 2 additional single-wide homes ideal for farm help, rental income, or multifamily living. Expansive rolling fields on the lower portion of the property are perfect for livestock, hay, or crops. Enjoy a large spring-fed, stocked pond and beautiful countryside views throughout. Situated in peaceful Lindside, Monroe County, it's known for its outdoor recreation, rural charm, and the rare distinction of having no stoplights. A perfect farm, homestead, or private retreat. Sold as is. In addition, the property has a cave on it too. Property contains 3 manufactured homes in total. They range from dates according to tax information from 1970 to 1998. The size for each is detailed here. 1998 Doublewide Manufactured home 1,568 square feet. From tax records, 3-bedroom 2-bath. All carpet has been removed from the home. The roof shows sign of replacement and near end of life. All porches are in need of repair and access is limited. Second property is a single-wide home according to tax records 1970 and is a 3-bedroom 2-bath manufactured single-wide. Porches are in need of repair/replacement. Third manufactured home is also stated around 1970 according to tax records. This unit contains 1 bedroom 1 bath, not operational, and possible second bedroom. Most of these structures have been updated and the tags for these are going to be gone or almost impossible to find. Please let anyone seeking financing this will be an issue. Homes are in a state of repair and will not qualify.